drop.
Ain't finna make and break a bitch. Smack her all upside her head and let her know my people thick. She gon' try to make it look as if you going out like a hoe. Never think twice about a bitch, cause when you pimpin', then you know. Don't get caught up with no women, bitches try to get your head. Make and break it, take that hoe and have that hoe getting your bread. Rearrange the situation, clock your dough and think before. Always stay a step ahead and make her make your cash flow. Get that bitch a big nigga, keep that hoe up on the car. Let her know that what you saying is gon'